So in this example also we are going to be check to find all the points of discontinuity for the function f of x equal to x raised to 10 minus 1 when x is lesser than or equal to 1, when x square when x is greater than 1. So again we have to use the case 1 first. When x is lesser than 1 here, because it is continuous at the point 1, x is lesser than 1. When x is lesser than 1, so that time the function is what? That is x raised to 10 minus 1. So now it is in the form of again an x raised to n form. So a is 1 here, because always behind that number 1 is always multiple. So this is x raised to n minus 1. So it is of the form, again it is form of polynomial. So we can say that it is continuous. In case 2, case 2 is what? When x is greater than 1. When x is greater than 1, so that time we have the function is f of x equal to x square. So it is also form of again an x raised to n form. So again it is of form what? It is form of polynomial. It is form of polynomial, therefore it is what? Continuous. Therefore it is continuous. In case 3, what we have to take? When x equal to 3, again we have to check the same step for the what? For the continuity of the function, that f of x equal to x equal to 1, I'm sorry, because it is continuous at the point 1. F of x equal to, when x is lesser than 1, when x is greater than 1, when x equal to 1. When x is lesser than 1, what we have? X raised to 10 minus 1. When x equal to 1, again it is when x equal to 1, this is lesser or equal to, again it is x raised to 10 minus 1. When x is greater than 1, it is x square. Okay, again we have to use the LHL, RHL and f of a condition. First we are going to check for the LHL. Limit x tends to what we have to take? It is continuous at the point 1 of minus f of x. So that time limit x tends to 1 minus of, so that time f of x is x raised to 10 minus 1. So it is continuous at the point 1. So instead of x we have to substitute as the 1 raised to 10 minus 1. What is the 1 raised to 10 what is the value of 1 raised to 10 is again 1. This is minus 1 is 0. Next we have to check for the RHL, that is limit x tends to 1 plus of f of x. So limit x tends to 1 plus of, when x is greater than 1, it is having the function x square. So instead of x we have to substitute as the 1, again 1 square is 1. Next is what? F of a. It means it is continuous at the point 1 means, so instead of a x equal to a, instead of a we have to substitute as the 1. So that time it is f of 1. F of 1 is again what? 1 raised to 10 minus 1 is again 1 minus 1 is 0. So look here LHL equal to f of a, but it is not equal to RHL. So therefore what we can say, that it is LHL is equal to f of a or f of 1 you can write, but it is not equal to RHL. So therefore what we can be say, that therefore it is discontinuous. Therefore what we can say, f of x is continuous for all values of x except at x equal to 1. So this is again the same procedure we have been used, like a previous one we have been solved. So again I am going to solve the next one example. So in this example again we have to check for find all the points of discontinuity of given function. Here we are going to check it for the discontinuity of the function, but here this function is continuous at the point 2 points. One is a -3 and another one is +3. So I can split this function in terms of the two. First I will take when for the function is continuous at x equal to -3. When it is for x equal to -3, so that time I can write this function f of x it as the one mod of x plus 3 when x is lesser than or equal to -3, and again I will take the -2x when x is greater than -3. X is greater than -3 I have been written. Okay, so now this is the function is in the form of the mod of x plus 3. So mod of x, again I can split this in terms of mod of x means one is I will take the minus x plus 3. Mod of x means one is minus x, another is plus x plus 3, that is x plus 3 when x is lesser than -3, and when x is equal to -3, and when x is greater than -3 it is again -2x. So again we have to check for the discontinuity of the function. First again I am going to use the case 1 when x is lesser than -3. When x is lesser than -3 we have to take the function that is f of x is equal to minus of x plus 3. When it is a minus of x plus 3 it is again in the form of that is a n x raised to n, that is in the form of the polynomial. It is form of polynomial, therefore it is continuous. Case 2 when x is greater than -3. When x is greater than -3 what we have to take, that is f of x equal to minus of 2x. So that time minus of 2x, again it is in the form of ax raised to n. This is an x raised to n. It is means it is also form of polynomial, therefore it is continuous. So in case 1, case 2 it is being, we have been showed it as the continuous function. In case 3 we have to take when x equal to -3. Again we have to use the procedure it like when LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of a or not. But I will take the LHL. Again it is limit x tends to 3 minus of, it is sorry minus 3 of minus, okay, minus 3 of minus of f of x, that is limit x tends to minus 3 of minus when x is lesser than -3. What we have the function minus x plus 3. So instead of x what we have to substitute as the -3, minus of -3 plus 3, that is 3 plus 3 is equal to how much? 6 we get. Okay, case 2, this is case 3. Okay, sorry, I have to take the RHL. In the RHL again limit x tends to -3 of plus of f of x. Okay, this is limit x tends to -3 plus of, because it is continuous at the point -3. So that time when x is greater than 3, greater than -3, it is -2x. So this is -3, instead of x we have to substitute as the -3. This is again 6 we get. When f of a means when x is continuous at the point of -3, again what we have to take, for the f of a, what we have to take, when x equal to -3 we have to take minus of x plus 3. If I take here it as the, so listen here, this is lesser than or equal to, so lesser than means I have taken when x is lesser than -3. For equal to I can't take it as the plus. If I take the plus here it will be again x is greater than -3, but already we have the x is greater than -3 is -2x. So again I have to take it as the what? as like the LHL condition. So f of a means that is, so that time what we get, the f of x is minus of x plus 3. It is that time f of x is minus of x plus 3. So f of a means that is a minus 3 is here, that is f of minus 3 is minus of minus 3 plus 3. So that is how much again, 6. So here we get the condition, the answer it as the what, LHL is 6, RHL is 6, and f of a is also been 6. So it is continuous for the point x equal to minus 3 also. Next one, we have been split it as the two function. Another one is what, plus 3 we have. So look here, plus 3 means when x is lesser than 3 we have minus 2x. So f of x is equal to, we can write, when x is lesser than 3, what we have, when x is lesser than 3, again we have the minus 2x. When x is greater than or equal to 3, we have the 6x plus 2. When x is greater than or equal to, it is 6x plus 2. Okay, we have to check whether this is a discontinuity at the point 3 or not. This is the same example, but here we have been split it the function, it has the in the 2 points. Okay, so again case 1 we are going to use. Case 1 is what, when x is lesser than, here plus 3 we have to take. Okay, when x is lesser than 3, again what we have, the function f of x is minus 2x. So now it is also form of the polynomial, it is form of polynomial, therefore it is what, it is continuous, because every continuous function is, sorry, every polynomial function is continuous. Case 2, when x is greater than 3, when x is greater than 3, so that time what we have, the function is f of x equal to 6x plus 2. So now we can say that again it is in the form of a n x raised to n, so it is also again form of polynomial. Therefore what we can say, that it is continuous. Next, when I come for the case 3, when x equal to 3, when x equal to 3 means again we have to check it for the LHL and RHL and f of a. For LHL, limit x tends to 3 of minus, when x is lesser than 3, so that time what we have, the function is minus 2x, that is limit x tends to 3 minus of, what we have, the function is minus 2x, so that is minus 2 of plus 3 is minus 6 we get. Next for the RHL, that is limit x tends to 3 plus of, this is x tends to 3 plus of f of x. When x is greater than 3, so that time it is having 6x plus 2, that is limit x tends to 3 plus of 6x plus 2, so that is 6 into 3 plus 2, that is how much, 20 we get. When f of a, it means instead of x we have to substitute as the 3, that is f of x is what here, 6x plus 2, instead of x we have to substitute as the 3, that is f of 3 is equal to 6 into 3 plus 2 is again 20. Here RHL equal to f of a, but f of a is not equal to LHL. Here RHL is equal to f of a, but it is not equal to LHL. So here we get the discontinuity, therefore we can say that it is discontinuous. Therefore f of x is continuous for all values of x except what, except x equal to, except at x equal to 3. So it is discontinuous at x equal to 3. So this is what about the, this how to find out for the discontinuity. Thank you.